Welcome to this video on getting started with your Anoka Hennepin Back to School online verification. One thing I'd like to point out before we start is how you can change the settings for this video to show in a different language what is being spoken. If you click this gear icon on your YouTube video, if you're watching on a computer, and first turn on the English here, and then once this comes back, click on it again and choose Auto Translate. Then you can choose from this very long list of languages in which YouTube will be able to translate my English speaking into the written language that you choose. It's not perfect, but it might get you closer if it's easier for you to read in your first language than listen to the English version. So the first thing you want to do is you need to visit the Anoka Hennepin Schools District website, and you'll see up here you can either do a Google search for Anoka Hennepin Schools, or you can type www.ahschools.us. When you get to the district website and you see this screen, you'll want to click on this icon right here. We call it the lock and key. And when you click on that, it will bring you to this login screen. At this login screen, you're going to enter your parent credentials. If you don't know what those are, then please use this phone number at the top or this email address to contact us, and we will get you your parent credentials. Also know that if an English conversation is difficult, we do have access to an interpreter to help us with the conversation if that makes things easier for you. So here's your parent account information. If you know it, you can add it here, and this will log you in. And once you get into this page, sometimes this page is called the landing page, and we will refer to each of these sometimes as an icon, or we might refer it to an app or an application. The one that you're going to use for the Back to School online verification is this icon or this application right here called My Student Information. When you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page, and you will see all the students in your family. I have a test account, so you'll see many students in this list. We'll come back in another video to talk about your options for this page and how to navigate and what you can find for information on this page. But for now, to start your Back to School online verification, you will use this tab up here that says Online Registration. When you click on that, it will take you to this screen, and you'll need to choose from this drop-down the Back to School Annual Verification. Click that, and then click Begin Registration. So that's the video on how to get started. In the next video, I will walk you through specifically the pages that you will want to especially take note of and the information that you may want to update as a parent. So that will be in the next video. Thank you.